What do you find are some common mistakes that people make when they're involved in an accident before they decide to hire an attorney or when they first start dealing with an insurance company?
Yeah, and I think sometimes those mistakes come up in cases where sometimes people feel okay and they jump out of their car and start apologizing to the other person that, I just wanted to make sure they were okay. It's very important to be careful about what you say in those instances because an apology may seem like you're admitting fault even if it's not. Saying things that you shouldn't say is a big mistake that people make. But then also you have these situations where they think that, it's not a big deal, right? And then it turns out that it is. Minor damage has much more impact on the vehicle than you would expect, or that you have a more serious injury than you realized. If you don't have consistent care or good follow-up with your doctors, sometimes a very serious injury isn't found. In the context of a case or the claim or eventually a lawsuit, when you're trying to tie the pieces together of the accident being related to those injuries that you sustained later, that causal relationship becomes a little bit more strained or difficult to prove because there are intervening things that could have happened between the accident and the later diagnosis, or at least from the defendant's perspective. Again, understanding how serious it is, being careful who they're talking to and how much they're talking to them, and then also being not mindful of getting appropriate care quickly to make sure that all the things that have happened to them are identified as early as possible. Visit donmacari.com.